Peugeot 206 is a small French car. Produced by Peugeot, which was founded in France and England from 1995 to 2004. Then production shifted to Slovakia. Peugeot's headquarters is located in Paris near the metro station. Peugeot is the second largest car manufacturer in Europe after Volkswagen. In addition, the Peugeot 206 achieved the highest sales percentage of the company after 10 years of its establishment. Sold in 121 countries. Its sales amounted to 5 million cars in less than 7 years, despite the launch of its successor 207 in 2006. And although its name came from the Peugeot 205, there was a generation of cars among them, and the company launched the intention to preserve it until 2010, where many models of the Peugeot 206 were issued, including the hatchback, which was launched with 2 engines, the RC station wagon, and the sedan. Peugeot 206 car models, released from Peugeot car different models, namely, hatchback model. It was launched with 2 engines, the first engine with a capacity of 11 cc, and it generates a capacity of 60 horses, and the second engine with a capacity of 14 cc, and it generates a power of 75 horses, and it is also available with a manual and automatic transmission. Station model SW. It was launched with an engine capacity of 14 cc, model RC. It is considered a rally car. Disadvantages of Peugeot 206. Despite the advantages of this car and the preference of many people for it, it has some disadvantages. Namely, when the car is traveling at a speed of 120 km per hour, it begins to slow down. When the car is traveling at a speed of 120 km per hour, the motor sound increases and the driver feels that the car is not in good condition. Small car. The car is not suitable for carrying the whole family, and it is excellent if 2 or 3 people ride it. The prices of auto parts are high compared to the prices of Korean auto parts. Some Peugeot 206 parts are sometimes not available in some cities or provinces. Peugeot 206 lacks some luxuries such as power mirrors and park sensor. The air conditioning is not good, especially at noon. General specifications for Peugeot 206. The engine. The Peugeot 206 is equipped with 2 engines of a somewhat old design, and they work on gasoline. The first engine has a capacity of 1.4 liters, with only 2 valves for the cylinder, in addition to being linked to a manual gearbox, and generates a power of 75 horses, and the second engine is 1.6 liters, with 16 valves, and generates a capacity of 110 horsepower. Its fuel consumption is considered acceptable to good, for it is equipped with an automatic gearbox, as in the hatchback and sedan segment. Safety and security. The Peugeot 206 has undergone European safety tests and received a rating of 4 stars out of 5. The car has front seat airbags. The car includes an anti-lock brake system. The car has a solid structure and provides protection for the passengers, because it is equipped with scales for movement. Car accessories. The car has an air conditioning system. The car has electric windows in the front seats. The car doors have 4 speakers. The power system is available in Peugeot 206. The car includes a remote control center. Peugeot 206. Features. The car has an attractive sporty look. Peugeot 206 is fuel efficient. The car has good traction on the roads. Peugeot 206 divided by 2011 model. Peugeot 206 model 2011 belongs to the category of small family cars. It has the appearance of a 3 or 5 door hatchback. It has 5 seats. It has a length of 3.87 meters, a wheelbase of 2.44 meters, a width of 1.65 meters, and a height of 1.44 meters. It is available in many options. The colors, most notably, black, blue, and silver, and Peugeot was keen to provide this car with a large fuel tank with a capacity of 50 liters. The 2011 Peugeot 206 has a luggage compartment with a capacity of 245 liters. And its capacity is increased to 1,130 liters when the rear row of seats is folded. The speed, in addition to knowing the number of engine revolutions per minute, also contains an analog gauge that monitors the level of fuel in the tank. And the dashboard in some categories of this car includes a digital display to display many driving data. Peugeot 206 divided by 2011 petrol performance. The weakest performance of the 2011 Peugeot 206 cars was equipped with a 4-cylinder petrol engine with a capacity of 1.1 liters. And it generates a power of 60 horsepower and produces a torque of 94 Nm. These cars are linked to a 5-speed manual transmission, and their top speed is 154 km divided by hour, and takes 15.2 seconds to start from stability and acceleration to 100 km divided by h, and its average fuel expenditure is 5.8 liters divided by 100 km. and it rises to 7.8 liters divided by 10 kilometers on internal roads. The 2011 Peugeot 206 cars with the best performance contain a 4-cylinder petrol engine with a capacity of 1.4 liters and can generate a power of up to 75 horses and can produce a torque of 120 Nm. These cars are connected to a manual transmission, and their top speed is 166 kilometers divided by h. It can start from stability and accelerate to 100 kilometers divided by h in just 13.7 seconds, and its average gasoline expenditure is 6.0 liters divided by 100 kilometers. Peugeot 206 divided by 2011 diesel performance. The French company Peugeot has supplied many 206 cars of the 2011 model year with a 1.4-liter turbo diesel engine, which can generate up to 68 horsepower at 4 revolutions per minute and can produce a torque of 150 Nm at 750 revolutions per minute. These cars, with a 5-speed manual transmission, reach a maximum speed of 166 kilometers divided by h and take 13.8 seconds to accelerate to 100 kilometers divided by h, and their average fuel expenditure is 4.0 liters divided by 100 kilometers, and their expenses increase to 4.9 liters divided by 100 kilometers on internal roads, while it drops to 3.5 liters divided by 100 kilometers on the highways. Safety in Peugeot 206 divided by 2011. The 2011 Peugeot 206 contains many advanced safety technologies in addition to airbags and standard seat belts, most notably the traction control system to prevent the wheels from slipping when the accelerator pedal is depressed by the driver, in addition to the electronic stability control system, the emergency brake assist system, and the electronic brake force distribution system. And some models are equipped with rain sensors to operate the wipers automatically when needed. Entertainment in Peugeot 206 divided by 2011 model. All classes of Peugeot 206 model 2011 include a 12V power socket to power many electrical tools, and it also contains many interior lighting units for reading as well. And the company has been keen to provide many classes of this car with a media system that can play radio channels and can read audio CDs as well. Some models also have a manual air conditioning system to provide the right temperatures in hot weather. Peugeot 206 Sport. The Peugeot 206 Sport has the appearance of a hatchback and is distinguished by its advanced performance compared to the performance of other Peugeot 206 cars. These cars are available in many colors, most notably black and blue, and contain 5 passenger seats, and the company has been keen to provide them with many advanced safety elements within the options standard or additional, including seats that comply with the international standard for attachment points for child safety seats, in addition to the central door locking system, the anti-theft system, as well as airbags, seat belts, and ABS. Peugeot 206 Sport Performance. Many Peugeot 206 Sport cars are equipped with a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine that produces 110 horsepower and can produce 149 Nm of torque. These cars are linked to a 4-speed automatic transmission with a top speed of 188 km per hour, and it can accelerate from 0 km per hour to 100 km per hour in just 13.1 seconds. Which is the best performing 206 Sport car. The weakest performance of the Peugeot 206 Sport has a 4-cylinder petrol engine with a capacity of only 1.1 liters. And this engine can generate a power of 60 horsepower and produces a torque of 94 Nm. These cars are linked to a 5-speed manual transmission and reach a maximum speed to 157 km per hour and takes 15.1 seconds to start from 0 km per hour and accelerate to 100 km per hour. Many Peugeot 206 Sport cars have a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine that can produce up to 90 horsepower and can produce up to 133 Nm of torque. Some of these cars are linked to a 5-speed manual transmission with a top speed of 178 km divided by hour, and it can start from standstill and accelerate to 100 km divided by h in approximately 12.2 seconds.